Now, these people I live with, they do not pay the power bill. Our power bill, now, y'all, there's where you're at, this might be normal, but mine is like $650 a month. What? And when we lived in the old house, it was a smaller house. You know, if it was over $300, I mean, I would flip out. But now, I mean, it's crazy. And these kids, they don't turn anything off. So, and now I become my daddy because my daddy, I remember he put a timer on the hot water heater. And I'd be so mad because we go to take a, hot shower and we wouldn't have any hot water. It'd be cold. So anyway, I become him. I'm about to do that. Oh, I'm wondering, why do I not put on those sensory lights, where you go in and it'll come on if you walk in, and if you like in my office in Atlanta, downtown Atlanta, they had those in our office. And there were times, y'all, I didn't move and my lights would go off and I just leave them off. I loved it. People wouldn't come in and bother you. It's great. All right, what are we doing today? Everybody doing okay? The market, man, is it down again? Crazy. You just can't decide what it wants to do. So AD is positive, but it looks like it's about to totally turn over. See, that's kind of weak. And looks like we are at lunchtime chop for sure. Now we're testing the overnight low. The opening 15 minutes was 61 to 82. So that was larger than normal. What's that, 21 points? Wow. And you see the cash open. Now here's a big thing, y'all, the weekly pivot. Our little chart rarely shows it, but every now and then it'll do it. The weekly pivot is strong too. So we've got some big time with the weekly pivot up here. We've got some really big resistance up here. So, we're toying around with the overnight low now, which is offering a little bit of support, but we'll see. This is interesting. What's happening with the market? Volume, does what it normally does. We had a little spike in volume here at 10 o'clock. Somebody put in some bearish orders. See the big candle that was the highest volume of the day, and it was mostly negative. And sure enough, since that time, we've been so very, very cool. All right, so let's go see what our volume profile looks like. Hope you had a good weekend, by the way. Well, look at this on the SPY. Look at there. So on SPY, we're below all three moving averages. We've gone to oversold. Looks like it, was going to maybe bounce there. It did a little bit, but now it's coming back to that. Now, interestingly enough, on SPY, if we go down here, then we would come overbought. And then there's a good chance that we would go into this area of the fair value range. Very cool. But I think we got our best information from the ES chart. So with ES, yeah, look at this. That's cool, huh? ES. Wow. So we're below all three. We're oversold. Kind of looks like the other chart, doesn't it? Is that sure? Yes, it is, isn't it? So far it's holding, but if we lose this 44.45, all bets are off. We could easily become overbought. And if we're overbought, then that means we've got some room to go down farther. Very, very interesting on what's happening today. It was kind of cool overnight. It was up a little bit. So my account was up a good bit because of it. But now I would figure that we're probably, just limping along. So let's see our skew driver. What's our skew driver saying? I selected the 28 days rather than the 32 days. We don't have a 30 day. So what we're looking at is the one at 520 is 33 points out of the money. Everyone sees that, 33. Let's go pop that in. So what does that mean? 33 still means business as usual, doesn't it, with the skew? So 25 to 35 is normal, but it's going that way. So what does that mean? I still would say that means, now keep in mind, I've seen this thing at 50 and 60 before. So, at some point you say, well, maybe a bounce is likely, but I mean, this could go to 50 or 60 before you see the bounce. So it's not, the bad thing about the screwdriver is the timing element. We just don't know. But right now it's business as usual. All right, so let's go see what we're going to do today. We had our margin call, which was very exciting on Friday. I thought that was cool. So let's see what we need to do. Let me see how much buying power I got. I can tell it on my phone. See what's happening here. Where's it at? Will it recognize me in my new cap? I bought this to support our little high school here. Let's see. So it says we're up $191 on the day. Yeah, we don't have a lot of buying power at all again today, $1,300. All right, so let's see what our working orders are doing here. Wait, we don't have any working orders? Oh, I took them off, didn't I? Yeah, I took them off because we were afraid it was taking up buying power. That's exactly right. Let's just kind of see how everything's doing here. Let me take this one off. This Breakaway Butterfly expired at a full loss. And then you start getting the emails, you have taken assignment of options. And don't worry about that on SPX because there's no actual assignment, right? You don't own shares of anything. It's all cash settled. Now, the good thing is JoJo, on his first ever trade, his credit spread that he did, he had the best little birthday party, y'all. He had a great little time. So his out of the money spread on SPX expired fully profitable. And I hadn't even told him that yet. So can't remember. Let's see. Hold on a second. SPX activity. Let's see over here. Let's see. It doesn't show us change on SPX, does it? Yeah, it does. So he did a vertical that he sold. Let's see, where was it in? Go gain close positions, right? Close, take off the open, take off the losses. So JoJo made $45. Ta-da! Now the problem is when I tell him he made $45, he's gonna want it all. I'm gonna say, hey dude, we need to do another trade. So fun. I love that little joker. Yeah. Broken wing butterfly put. So we got some expiring today. Let's see what we look like today. We're going to lose all those today? I've been letting them expire, y'all. Is that the right track? I don't know. That's what I've been doing. All right, so go. Yeah, we got a position here, don't we? Are we in the money, out of the money? Where are we? Let's see what we look like. Oh, y'all remember the one Friday though? We were like, oh man, oh gosh, look at that. That looks horrible, doesn't it? There's nothing you can do about that. Nothing you can do. It just is what it is. All right, we're just playing the probability. So what is our market opinion today? We got one coming up in 2 days. I bet it's underwater too. Yep, underwater too. Look at there. You live by the sword, you die by the sword, people. But you don't get concerned. Don't get concerned. And what about the one I did? The last one I did. Let's see what that looks like. It's in the money too. No. There it is. It's still out of the money. Got a 43% chance we get to there though at expiration. Oh, and we also did a butterfly, didn't we? Where was our little butterfly? What did we do a butterfly in? It was ES, wasn't it? Butterfly 1. How's that doing? Negative 100%. When's this thing expired? Today. Oh, we took a shot. What did we say? We said the price was going to go to the. What did we say? Let's see what that was like. Excuse me. Let's say it expires today. So let's see what we were hoping it would go for. Come on, little thingy. Because we did just a regular butterfly. We did a call butterfly, didn't we? We were thinking we were going to go up. We haven't done it yet. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That'll be a loser today. But we took a shot. We said 45.25, baby. But the market showed us otherwise. All right. So really, I mean, if I'm going to look at things, I need to see what my little puts are doing. My little, what's our little money makers thing doing? Make sure all those are doing okay. Oh, we're up 175 today. We're up 160 or down 165 on all of them together. So we've only got 132-day one, and it's up 18.25 today. So it's up $7.50. Aha. And we closed all those the other day with 0 losses, which was really cool. So, you know, these are all down. The only problem is our buying power is struggling a little bit. So, you know, we could leave all these on. We probably have the buying power to put another one on today. Or you could say, hey, let's take the 750, take a little bit of stress off in case the market keeps going down. Let's try to go for 17. Let's see if we can go for 17.25. Take a little bit profit off. Just a little. So we don't mess with our buying power. So we got a working order. So if we put it at 17.50, just get out of that one totally. And there we go. All right. So what's the trade du jour? Until we figure out otherwise, then we need to trade another micro today. So we got 46 or 67 days. So we go closest to 60 without going over. Hey, we're almost like Tom Shoshnoff in the Tasty Trade game. Now look at this, y'all. See, these are all down in money, but look how safe they are. Everyone see that? Perfectly safe at this moment. So we'll take this one. It would be nice to be filled for 19. Let's see if we can. Aha! There we go. So let's go put it in its little place. Come here, little feller. Right click, move to group. We're going to put it in our micro short puts. There it is. Beautiful. All right. What's my hood trade doing? Why did I ever do that? Unbelievable, Bob. Unbelievable. You just need to get out of that, you fool. Why I trade individual stocks, y'all just keep letting me do it. All right, so let's go over here to Tasty Works. Now we're up $316 on the day. But remember, we were over 10,000 on the year, so we took quite a little beating in the last couple of days. So let's see. Whoa, what a sneeze. I held it in. Over 500 pounds of stress per square inch on my head doing that. Let's see what we got something. Days 46. Let's see what we got over here. 32, 54, but that's a 333, 56. That's a here's one for $28. We could close. Let's see. 3 there, 1 there, 3 there, 1 there, 1875. Just monitoring my little buying power since I don't have a lot. Trying to take something off. We'll take this one off. Take our $28.12 of profit. And we'll get filled 1350. Yes, we do. We're out of that. So now I got $3,900 buying power. Cool stuff. All right, so what do? We do the same thing we always do. Go to 46 days. And 10% in the money. Oh, we're going to get a little more here, aren't we? Sell that one. Try to get 2075 because we're greedy. Greedy capitalist pigs. No. Jack, squat, crap. Place that. And we'll get filled. All right, so we've got close one, open one, close one, open one. I like it. So here's what we got. So now let's look. Let's just see how our little 111 trades are doing. Those are the ones we like so much. Look at that. We're down a little bit, but we're up $32 on the day. Love those trades. 1119, $2.50. Oh yeah, we closed a lot of these, didn't we, the other day? That's why. I thought we'd be doing better on those than what we had. Space trip. How's the space trip look? It's what, 187.50. All right. So with the down moves, looks like we've gone up a bit. Space trip 2, we're up $200. So those are starting to pop up a little bit. Oh, how's our little calendar doing? We're up $42 on the calendar. 8%. A lot of times I take those off if we are up, 10%. Those are kind of slow moving sometimes. Here's another calendar. Let's see. We're up 11%. We're up $104. Now I could probably take that off. Up $105. I like it. Yeah. So if we create closing order. Sell a calendar for 517. Sell 2 calendars 5. Let's see if that's doing the whole order we need it to do. -2 plus 2. -2 plus 2. Looks like it is. For 516 credit. All right. Uh-oh, Beth's on the phone. And when she's on the phone, here's what she talks to her friends. No, she didn't. No, she didn't. That's the best whole conversation. They just gossip and gossip and gossip. Oh, make sure they're talking loud enough where she can hear me. Wow, we get a credit of 1,050 to 1,025 on that. That is sweet, baby. Now, there we go. There you go, Bob. There you go, little feller. We're gonna let them take us down, are we? We've got a SPY calendar. How about that? $100-something in the profit zone. Now, the cool thing is, do we have one over here in this account? Because normally I'll duplicate stuff, but it's hard for me to find over here. So let's go positions. Stocks. No, not stocks. I'm gonna go to options. Close this up. So we probably got a SPY calendar over here. It's doing pretty good. Uh-huh. That's a custom. What's that? Profit Moss open. $104 on that one. We're up $48 on that one. We're up $30 on that one. See, this has only got 2 days left to go too, right? We probably need to close all those. Take our profits. We put them on when the VIX was low. We take them off when close. We'll close the whole shooting shebang. That's the same one we had, isn't it? $15. We're out of that. Let's go back to our positions. This one has 2567 days on it, and it is up $50. So I could probably leave that one on, but probably take this one off. And then this has only got 2 days on it short. So we wanted to leave that long on. We'll take our $30 here as well. So let's close that one. Is that a 1-1? Hold on a second. Positions 1-1. That's 1-1. close. So we're getting a credit to these things, which is awesome. 7, we'll try to get out of that. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's what. So if we're getting a credit, we got to reduce our credit a penny or two. Ta-da! All right, so let's go back over to our other one. It's like playing tennis, back and forth. I like it. All right, so we got, let's see, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly calendar. So this calendar is up $56. And we got 2 days on it. So yeah, we probably need to take that one off. You know, you've served your purpose, little feller. Thank you for coming into our world. Thank you for doing what we needed to have done. And then we need to look and see what VIX has done. We probably, you and I, y'all, we probably don't look at it enough as we should. We probably need to look at VIX more often. Y'all probably do. So keep me. There we are. We're out of that one. So we took our little profit on that. I like taking profits because the losses that we've taken, other than those broken wing butterflies, have been what? Have been paper losses over the last few days. All right. So nobody's panicking. Nobody's. Okay, good. So now let's go. See if I got any more butterflies I want to look at. Spy calendar 4. It's nice that all of our little calendar trades are taking off good. And that's what you do, right? You put these on when the VIX is going down, when the VIX is low. So we got 25.67 on that one. As far as days to expiration, so we'll leave those on. Okay, good. All right, so let's go back over here now. So we've closed a few trades. Let's see what else we got. So we're going to leave one calendar on. That's good. All right, so we close one, open one on our little micros. Silver, how's our silver doing? It's up $41. That's good. Our little ES trades. Let's see. Premium on the open is it looks horrible, doesn't it? Of course, if we've had harvests and things of that nature, it doesn't take all that into account. So let's see. We've got 10. We still got 20 days on there on that partial black swan hedge. Let's just kind of look and see what's happening. Yeah. And we checked it out, the other day, make sure we didn't have anything that needed to. Got a butterfly here that's down 16, 14, 9 days. Our 3-day one is in the money. No, it's not in the money. It's AM. Sorry. Just looking at them, looking at them. Butterfly, and that 180, down 180, now 182.05. Doesn't look good at all, does it? But of course, you can't win on all of them, and we've been really killing it on our butterfly trades. So, all right. So what do we want to do? We've done our little put. We're up nicely on the day. So we probably need to do our butterfly. But Bobby, we've been going down losing them. So I know. But isn't that the plan? I mean, we just keep rolling these out. Not rolling them out, but we just keep putting on new trades, right? So let's try it. So we're going to long put butterfly. Break our wing. Pop. Then we go down to where we get about $1. Cool thing is we keep going down though. That's a better time to put them on, right? That's a better time to put that trade on is when the market has been down. So $10. Let's see if we can get $1. There we go. So then I move it over to the right so I can find those strikes. Always easier if you're building those things to do it in Tastyworks. Let's go over here like a broken record. Let's go SPX. I love SPX. I was teaching my class the other day about 1256 contracts because they were sitting there going on their investments class. They were going, Oh yeah, 17 days. They were going, okay, long-term capital gains happen if you hold something for a year or longer. I said, oh, contraire, you young people. How about if I told you you could hold something for 1 second? If you make a profit on it, you get long-term capital gains treatment. They were shocked and astonished. Actually, they were like, not shocked and astonished. They were all right, 44.20. 44.20 is my first try. But I thought it was cool, right? What I think is cool, a lot of people don't think it's cool. 1256 contracts are good. 60% gets treated as long-term capital gains and 40% as ordinary income. 4405, is that right? And we're going to make the butterfly body, little caterpillar, we got to make him bigger. So his wings are smaller and his body is bigger. And let's see if we can get $1.05. We do better in this account than the other one. Ta-da! I say ta-da! Nothing. Jack, spot, crap. Hey, there we go. Was that me or y'all? Okay. So we bought our butterfly. So let's put him in his little place. What is this, like butterfly BWB like 20 or something? All over the place. 19 was the last. No, it's going to be BWB puts 21. Right click, move to group, add a group, add a group. And what I didn't realize, if you have your monitor stacked above your other one and you got it configured, that it goes up. And so if I'm looking like a giraffe trying to eat a leaf off a maple tree, then you'll know why I'm looking up. All right, so here we go. We'll call this BWB puts 21. Because we did it on the put side. That's normally where we do it. Okay, beautiful. Now, so we got our broken wing butterfly. Let's pull this back over here. Now, the other thing that we normally do on a down day, is the market still down, is we normally put on a 1-1-1 trade, don't we? And those are resilient little trades, but are we down actually? No. See, we're up. So I'm probably not going to put on one. What's SPY doing? SPY up a little bit. So at this point, there we go. Keep going up profit. All right. Now let me go to the other account. So we've done our income trades. We've done our bread and butter. Let's just see in the ES trades what we've got. Make sure we don't not missing anything. So here we've got, okay, that's our butterfly. This is just our longs. If it's just green, that shows you that's just long. So that's left over from our black swan hedge. So right here, we've got shorts and longs. Let's see if we're getting close to harvest time. Nope, 70 cents, right? We'll harvest that when it's 20 cents. And of course, if the screwdriver were at 15 and we were like, oh gosh, we're about to go down, then we would, might go ahead and fill those. But I don't think that we need to now. Let's see what else we got. Or, if you thought the drop was really, really coming, then you could actually buy a full tranche or two of the black swan hedge. But I don't think I need to do that now. So here's where we've got the 3 shorts we sold for $365. So we're not at a place where we would buy those longs yet. So $365 is where I got filled. Let's go to our handy dandy calculator. Let's go to our handy dandy calculator. Here we go. So if we sold them for $365 and we do it for 20 cents, what's it going for now? We could buy those for $225. So you put $225 in there, see what it would look like. So that hedge would end up costing us $65. So maybe what if we get down to $2? Aha. So maybe $195. We can put it on for even. Look at that, 195. I may go ahead and do that. So let's put a buy order here for 5 to complete our thing. And I may do it at 195 because the market's getting a little bit, I mean, we haven't had this many down days in a row for some time. We can do a GTC order over here. Confirm the send, and we'll know that'll be a profitable trade. Okay. Now, what did we say? We were going to look at our VIX too. See where our VIX is doing. VIX up or down today? Aha, it's down. But look at there, it's at 20, y'all. Let's look at the chart on the VIX. I still have not gotten used to their charts though. Over here, Tom Shosnoff swears that a huge improvement is going to be made on the charting platform of Tastyworks. So we'll see. I trust him. So you see it's been popping up, right? So now it's probably not the time though, since it's been up and up, not the time for me to put something on as far as a VIX trade. So I'm just watching. Let's go back and look at our big green monster on VIX chart. Let's go to VIX. It will not show volume because VIX doesn't have volume. Right. Now, see where we're at here. So we were fairly priced, then we went over bought, comes back into fair price, overbought. Now we're overbought. Kind of cool how the chart works on this as well, right? And we'll go back to ES one more time, just see what we'll do. I want to get a world view, the 10,000 foot view when I'm swooping out here. Yeah, look at this, y'all. It's kind of holding it. It said, hey, we're going to get out of the oversold condition and we're going to be overbought. Whoa, Bobby drew a green monster, baby. So we got to get back up in here and hopefully go back into here. But we don't know. What do we know? We don't know anything. But I don't think that based on the tea leaves that the big one's coming. I don't think that it is. Now let's see how our Black Swan hedge is looking though in the Analyze tab. I always like to look at it. So ES, hide simulations. We'll go single symbol, all groups. I'm going to go fall step 4. Yeah, that's ugly. Excuse me. All right, so let's make sure we got just our. The heck is this? Oh, that's our butterfly. So let's take our butterfly out. I don't want that to skew what this looks like. And then we're going to take out our spaceship trades. 10, 10, 7, 7. I want to make sure that I've always got a good hedge on at all times. So you got to go to the Analyze tab and check it out. Check those out. All right, so this should be the hedge. Ta-da! What she look like? She doesn't look really good, does she? Squeeze this together. Give us a better picture. I want it going up, 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 up. So at a 20% down, it's not too good, y'all. We've lost some loans apparently. It's up $8,300. At least it's up between $6,800. So that's not really, really good. So then you got to start thinking about things like, that's the problem, right? Do we go ahead and harvest threes? Do you go ahead, paying too much, not collecting as much credit to harvest? Do you go ahead and buy those loans at 225 to strengthen your hedge? It's all decisions that you have to make. But I think right now, I think I'm okay. It's not as strong as I want it, but I think we're good. Because we've got those space trip trades too. So let's look at those. Space trip trades, all groups. Let's go to space trip trade 1. Let's go to single expiration. See, I lost space chip trade. Space chip trade. There she is. Look at her. All right. Let's see what our space chip trade is. Look at that hump, y'all. Remember, our little hump was down. It was going like this. And now we've got a nice little profit hump built up. So if we get a, what does this say? Let's see, here's at the money. This 5% down, we're up $744. If we're 12% down, we're up $1,200, and we still don't have it as a protection down here, right? So you're down $3,200 on the big, drop. But then that's where our Black Swan hedges start picking up. That looks really, really good. That's going to serve us well on a 5 to 12% down move. And that's what those are supposed to do. So let's look at the second one. See, it should be about the same, right? It started a little later. Space chip trade 2. Space chip trade 2. There she is. Oh, where's she at? There she is. So 5% move down. We're up $600. If we go 12% down, $600, so $800 there. At expiration, we'll go down there. We're really, really good, but we'll get out of this way before there. But what we're doing now is watch as each day goes by, even though the market's been down, our little profit hump just goes up, up, up. Watch it. Watch my little hump. Looks like Dino. What was his name from? Dino. No, what was the darn dinosaur's name in the Flintstones? Dino. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Well, in about a month, look where we're at. In a month, on October the 15th, come down 12%, baby, because we're up $4,400. Yes. So see how even though the market's been going down, down, this little hump still continues to increase, which is really, really sweet. That's what we wanted to do. All right, so let's go back to the other one. So I don't think there's anything else we need to do. We talked about VIX. The VIX is down a bit, but still elevated. And if you kind of draw a line in here, draw a line here. If you were to draw a line, you'll kind of see that average is kind of right in here where it's at right now. Right now. But my market assumption is that VIX is going to go downward a little bit, maybe come back into this area. Now, I could be wrong. We could be on the beginning of the correction. It could be, but I'm just not seeing it yet. Just not seeing it yet. I think the market is just absorbing some things, and it's probably good that we've had a few days of downward move. So hopefully we continue our flow sideways or flow upwards, because that's what we like as option sellers, especially when we're selling things on the put side. Now I could hedge that too by selling puts by doing it as a strangle or an iron condor, but I still like it on the put side. I just hate calls. Oh, I hate them. And the day may come when we're like, okay, y'all, we're full-fledged bears now. We need to put on some short call spreads, but I'm just not, just not seeing it yet. All right, let's see if our AIM is giving us any indication of anything that we need to do there. Say nothing over here. All right, let's go to the other account. What are you telling us over here? Not telling us anything over here either. So, nothing really to do there. Of course, I did build in this AIM rebalancing thing that you could go, well, if you wanted to go down, if you're afraid the market's going to go down, you wanted to go down to 60% of your account into the stocks and ETFs, it'll tell you exactly what to do. But right now, I just don't think I want to take on that little problem. So I don't think I'm doing a 911. Yeah, we may start calling the 911 trade. I'm not going to do a 111 trade. We've done our broken wing butterfly, and we've done our short put. And I don't think there's anything else today. Anyone got any questions on anything that we've done today, or something that you've got in your account you'd like me to look at? Anything at all? Is Matt Jolly Wally in here? Where's Matt? Yeah, Matt's here. He's in his little Baby Caroline singing the Alabama fight song, which is precious. I had to watch that a few times.
She knows most of the words.
She's got it. I love it when she was talking about the Yellow Jackets.
Yeah.
Yeah. She had the Yellow Jackets part down. And the Bulldogs.
And the Bulldogs.
Yep, and the Bulldogs. You know, I think that's not talking about the Georgia Bulldogs. Then I think that's talking about the Mississippi State Bulldogs. Am I right on that, Matt? You know more than I would.
No, I would say it's probably Georgia.
I think you know we don't play Georgia that often. I think it may have been.
I think it's Southwest Conference.
Maybe. Oh man, what about Jacksonville
Yeah,
State?
that refers to the. I think it's not the SEC they're referring to at that time. It's the Southern Conference, or maybe what Ken said, the Southwest Conference.
I need to look up that again. I used to look up the story and I knew it all. Hey, what about my alma mater, Jacksonville State, y'all, beating Florida State? Was that something? On the last play of the game, like a 57-yard pass, and they had an opportunity, Florida State did to tackle him, but no, he got into the end zone, and they beat Florida State, and they paid my alma mater $400,000 to come down there and to whoop their butt. So that was really fun to see. Really, really fun. And now everybody in Georgia thinks that the Bulldogs are the national champions, self-appointed. So that's always fun to see their demise every year. And Herschel Walker's running for the Senate, y'all. How can I not vote for Herschel? Love me some Herschel. You know, I'm gonna start dressing like Herschel. He's got, you know, Beth, I want one of those Indian-looking necklaces like he's got. That's really, really cool because it looks like people come to and go, wow, what is that? It's an Indian looking necklace. All right, so any questions on anything? If not, I think we're finished, y'all. I think we're done. All right, so we will see y'all tomorrow. I owe y'all some videos if you've been behind, so I'll put those up as well.